Step one in President Biden's new COVID plan requires both federal and private employers to mandate the COVID-19 vaccine if they have more than 100 employees.
Well, this impacts more than 100 million Americans, and many are questioning whether this move is an overreach of the executive branch. 2 News reporter Aaliyah Williamson joins us live in studio after talking to a legal expert.
Brooke, John, we don't know of any lawsuits filed yet in response to this vaccine mandate, but the expert I spoke to today says he expects we'll see litigation soon enough and in the country's highest court.
It impacts so many folks that this is going to get impacted. This is going to be fast tracked to the Supreme Court.
More than 100 million Americans now impacted by the president's latest vaccine mandate. Any employer with more than 100 workers must now require vaccines or regular testing. Many want to know if the president has the power to issue such a mandate, and attorney Thaddeus Hoffmeister says he does.
This is not a law passed per se by Congress. My understanding is going to be sort of a mandate, sort of an executive sort of order based through the rulemaking process of OSHA.
President Biden also has a precedent. This is not the first time the government has required vaccines for citizens.
There is a Supreme Court case, Jacobson v. Massachusetts, where the state of Massachusetts required folks to be vaccinated for smallpox. There is Supreme Court precedent on his side with respect to that.
Right now, 63% of Americans have gotten at least one dose. But as hospitals fill up and the Delta variant threatens lives, Hoffmeister says the president is allowed to issue mandates like this one if there's a threat of grave danger. He says this will be at the center of the debate.
It is, to me, an unprecedented step for the president to do this, and there definitely will be questions asked and litigation to follow.
Today, I spoke to many businesses in the Miami Valley who would meet that requirement, and many of them told me it's too early to share what those plans will be as they're still waiting on information from the federal government. Coming up on 5 on 2, the Dayton Area Chamber of Commerce shares their reaction. But for now, live in the studio, Aaliyah Williamson, 2 News, working for you.